Well, it's funny that they put the Everest commercial here.
Stop waiting. Start
Is that
investing.
one of those secret message of mimetic shit that they doing?
Discuss more.
I bet.
It's
I
Victoria
knew it.
Green,
I
founding
knew it.
partner and chief investment
Better
officer at
graphic.
G Squared Private Wealth. Thank you very much for being here, Victoria. First, I want to start on this probe. What do you make of the letter sent to the FTC by the administration saying that there is, quote, mounting
Well,
evidence of
it's
anti-consumer
one way or the other. I
behavior by
mean,
oil
I
and
put
gas
money in
companies,
neither of them,
noting
green
that
nor
the
oil,
prices at the
because they
pump
go
are
either way, and it's a fist fight
mirroring
out front.
price movements of unfinished gasoline.
Not right now.
The API
Usually I
calling this
camp
a
back and see
distraction.
which
What's your
one's
take?
bleeding before I stab them.
I kind of
I
side
get
with the
both.
API on that one, honestly. I mean, if
Fuck
you
'em
look
both.
at what we've done with crude and rig counts coming back up, look, we're trying the best we can.
Which
but
means,
EMPs have
let
been
me
very
hear it,
light
you think
on
they're pretty
increasing
secure
rig
and
counts too
stable.
much,
Now,
and I don't
that's
think
some
there's
up,
any
down,
confusion
and
across
it's a
any of these
very hard
companies, and they're trying
question
to
to get
maximize
involved
shareholder
with in terms
values.
of
I
brokering.
think a little bit of this is window dressing, the same as the discussion on the SPR.
Well,
A
it's
lot
all
of
window.
this
I
is just a
expect
bad look
photons.
to have these high
You
gas
should
prices
expect
we're fighting
photons and data
inflation, and it's
compression
really
of.
nice to have somebody to point the finger at.
By the time I hit you with
What do
so
you
many
make, though, of the
numbers,
OPEC
it's like
oversupply
there is my
warning? Is
terminal.
that something that you think is
Whoever
actually
it is, could
more
be
to blame for some of
GPT-3
the
or
price
anybody's. I'm
movement
driving
we've
it.
seen,
I will
in the
take you for a
commodity
ride.
and the
That's going to
sector today?
G-lock you real hard.
Certainly,
Put you to
OPEC is
sleep
the biggest
once, and
wild
that's
card
why
we
you give me
face
your
in
money
this
for this.
industry, and what we want to look at.
Now,
I
whether
think they're
that's
trying to
oil or
justify only
otherwise,
400,000
should
barrel
secure your
increase.
bets
You know,
because
that
you
was kind of
understand what that
widely
is.
panned
If
by
it was
most
going to be this up, 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 down,
international
down, up,
governments
and
that
down,
people wanted
down,
to see
down,
them
down,
speed up
you would
their
expect the
return of their
timeline to cover
stockpiles,
what?
but
An
if you look
alarm,
at it,
a
the math
phone
is a
call
little
down the line.
sketchy.
Those things are what you get here.
Exactly how we get
The
to
name of
such
this
a fast
company or
surplus in
otherwise,
December,
or anything. I
considering the
don't know the
massive
other
amounts
people's
of
company.
jobs
You
we
need to do me
have,
as an Excel.
and even if the
And
US and
qualms
China
back
do
to the
release
next
SPRs,
place over, and I
you're
need
not
to
looking
kick
at
them
a
in the
huge
dick.
blip. I
Guess
mean, you're
what?
gonna
We
see
can do
maybe
that
a
too.
little
Whip
pump
it
in
out.
supply, but then
There's
you
the
get into
horse.
the nitty-gritty
These are the
of
ones we've
sweet
done it
versus
before.
sour,
We've thrown an
who's exporting
R&D
where,
at it.
who's
We keep it
importing where. And I
moving.
think honestly,
You
this is
know,
OPEC
it's
justifying the
moving.
fact that they're returning to the market slowly. So I'm not surprised they sold off between some of the
Oil
administration's comments today
is
as well
this.
as
That means
OPEC.
you would put them
Certainly, it's a
very
big
located,
headline
very
risk today, but I
specifically
think if
under
you
these
look
names and
fundamentally at
sectors,
supply and
under
demand,
any
I think the
dimensional
oil market is
analysis
still a pretty
standard.
strong place to
What am
be.
I looking at? Well, oil.
Victoria, let's get to
And
some
then you
of
would say
the
it's got
stock
strong
picks that
points,
have
got
us
weak
to
points.
play
It
this.
in
You
itself
like
still neutral.
Diamondback? Talk us through that one.
Its strong points has neutral points.
So
Its
Diamondback
weak points
just
have
has some
neutral
really great
points and
acreage,
can
and
have
Devin
inversions on
and
them. If I'm
Devin are
standing in
both
those weak
kind of
spots at the
pioneering
wrong
in this
point in
space with
time,
sticks
right,
plus
come
conveyor
upside
method
down.
and trying to make sure that they're returning cash to
Market
shareholders.
your
Also
feet.
like that they're
I
not
mean, that's how
extremely
close I
hedged on
was
both
to
oil
it.
and
I've
gas,
done
but
that
we
by
want
calculus, looking
exposure.
in the past
We'll see
before.
most of the stuff
And
that
then
I'm
you
going to talk
track the
about
graph
here
to
have
say
high exposure
statistically,
to oil
she,
price
he,
volatility,
it, oil,
their acreage is
gas,
just fantastic
AUAX,
acreage. Like, how
a
could you not
G
like
A
what they
X,
own?
a
And their break even for
D
getting
L
it
D
out of the
T,
ground is in
whatever,
the 30s, 40s. So
IH,
you look
show
around and you
stringer.
realize that
The
they
first
are
equation is
being
that.
very
How much
shareholder
of the
friendly.
customer,
They're being
when you're
very
about to
disciplined.
give me
They
money,
also think they have a very
we
good
need to really
handle
talk
on
about this because you should
their
have
pricing,
competitive
and I know
relationship with
everybody's
me
worried
about.
about potential labor
You're gonna go
and
gravity. It is your
and with
gravity.
prices
Let's
going up
talk
next
about
year
that
and some
gravity from the
margins, but
Bones team,
honestly, they have a
from
very
the
strong
Sharps
management
case,
team that seems to
energy.
have a good
I do
handle
back
on
the
ensuring
armchair
that they honestly gave some
ROTC,
pretty solid
OR,
guidance on where they think their margins
debriefs
are going to be
on
and where they
money,
think their supplier costs are
not
going
your
to be for
kid's soccer
2022.
team.
And they
I
actually
can.
may remain
There are
flat.
ways to pick coaches and study the
So do you see
best
today's
model to
pullback
figure out
as
the
a
patent
buying
design.
opportunity
It
then
is
for
a
investors?
BUBV
I
version.
do. I look at these, and this is a very short
Yeah,
term
if you
play
want to
for
put it
us.
in the
We are
tip
aware
jar
that
for
the oil
Everest,
market
great.
be very cyclical and very painful.
It's a
but I
different
think right
job.
now in this environment, I like this play, and it's a very pure play.
That usually the one I kill them with
I mean,
is
the
I
names that
don't
we
get
talked
paid.
about,
You
the
give me your
Devons,
names
the
and numbers
EOGs,
because
the
eventually
Fangs,
just
they're more
I need them to
managed,
know
they're
me
very
on the
much in the
break crew. We're gonna
Permian,
come
they're a
in
little
and do
bit
the safety
smaller,
brief
they're
on
extremely shareholder friendly and
economics.
attempting to return capital through buybacks.
Yeah, financially
And they
secure
pay some
guys,
variable
safety
dividends.
brief.
I
I
think
don't
if
know
oil
it
remains
directly,
around
but I'd
70s to
imagine
80s, it doesn't need
the
to go to
saw
130,
guy doing the
120.
saw.
That starts to be bad for the economy and really, really dragging down. But 70s to 80s,
And I mean, they
which has
blink
been in
like
this range,
42
it's
wave
kind of traded
signals that
down
are
about
up and
$7
down, and
now for about 6 weeks. It's a great sweet
you
spot
look
for
at the
them.
guys in the
And
room. Who
honestly,
is it?
first
Bang,
half 22
that one.
looks very
And that's
bullish
just
for
my
these
broom
days.
closet. Elon
Victoria Green,
Gunny
thanks so
was
much for
like,
joining us. Good to
"What
see
the
you."
fuck are you doing?"
See you, Dave.
Yeah, where is your Sarge made? right now. Seriously.